right now.
Tonight, what to do with short-term rentals. The popularity of Airbnbs has led to local regulations and even a partial ban that brought a lawsuit to Park Township.
Our Sam Landstra went to a short-term rental conference today in Grand Rapids and heard from rental owners. He joins us now with their take on the state of the short-term stay. Sam?
Yeah, Megan and Josh, Friday afternoon, when a speaker asked a room full of rental owners how many had heard of the short-term rental saga in Park Township, hands shot up. Right now, a court order has prevented any enforcement of that ban, but the township passed a pair of ordinances last month, subject to the outcome of the court case.
Well, she was alone, she sued by herself, and went all the way up to the Supreme Court.
Speaking on legal issues surrounding short-term rentals,
I want to help people avoid a situation like Park Township.
Attorney Katie Johnson told her audience to learn local laws, keep records of communication, start going to government meetings.
People are really worried about the regulations in Michigan because they keep changing.
Lessons learned from past experience in Park Township, where Johnson owns a rental.
Of course, we've had a little bit of a legal hiccup.
Also a board member of Park Township Neighbors. The community group sued the township last fall, claiming it improperly changed its zoning ordinance to ban short-term rentals in residential areas.
We didn't want to be in that position, to be clear.
They were granted by a judge a preliminary injunction, allowing them to rent at least temporarily.
We're definitely not against caps. We're not against rules and regulations, just reasonable ones, not an outright ban.
In the meantime, in March, Park Township passed 2 ordinances, a moratorium on new short-term rentals and a zoning amendment to provide clarity and reaffirm our existing regulations. There is no intent to enforce as long as the judge's injunction is in effect.
Hey, how can we make sure we are being good hosts, not only to the guests, but also to the community?
The tone, set by conference host Tony Stincato, a good renter with good revenue, should also be a good neighbor.
We got to be good stewards of the communities that we're operating in.
Now, the court date for the Park Township short-term rental lawsuit is set for sometime in November. The township has been consistent with its message. STRs have technically never been allowed in residential areas, and they say the significant majority of people in the township want to see the partial ban. For now in studio, Sam Landstra, Fox 17 News.